Good morning, students. Due to lockdown, you are not able to go to school. So here, myself, Ravikant Sharma, as a science and maths teacher. So we start with the syllabus of class 10th. We start with the syllabus of class 10th. Subject science. Subject science. So you already know that there are three sections in science: physics, chemistry, and bio. Physics, chemistry, and bio. First of all, we start with the section physics. So first of all, write down or note down the number of chapters which are included in physics. That is chapter 10th. In NCERT book, it starts from chapter 10th. Light, reflection and refraction. Light, reflection and refraction. Chapter 11, human eye and colorful world. Human eye and colorful world. Chapter number 12, that one is your electricity. Chapter number 13, that one is your magnetic effects of electric current. Magnetic effects of electric current. Chapter number 14, that one is your sources of energy. Sources of energy. Chapter number 15, that is our environment. Our environment. Chapter number 16, that is management of natural resources. Natural resources. These are the chapters which are included in physics. But last three chapters, that is 14, 15 and 16, that are the chapters of environment. That are the chapters of environment, but also considered the part of physics. So note down all these chapters which are in the physics section. Wait for 1 minute, note down. Okay, fine. So first of all, बच्चे, we start with the chapter number 12, electricity. Chapter number 12, that is electricity. First of all, electricity. What is electricity? That is a source, or it is a important source of energy. It is important source of एनर्जी. इट इज कंट्रोलेबल. इसको कंट्रोल भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग. अब बच्चे, नंबर ऑफ गैजेट्स आप लोग यूज करते हो. फ्रिज है, एसी है, fan hai, that all are based on electricity. Our industry is also based on electricity. Due to electricity our business are going on. Without electricity, so we can say that without electricity today world is not possible. सो बच्चे नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अराइज होते हैं, जैसे हमने टॉर्च का स्विच ऑन किया, बल्ब ग्लो कर गया। अब उस स्विच ने ऐसा क्या किया कि बल्ब ग्लो कर गया? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर मैं बात करूं, व्हेन वी स्विच ऑन द टॉर्च, हमने जब स्विच ऑन किया तो उस स्विच ने क्या किया कि बल्ब ग्लो कर गया। दैट प्रोवाइड्स अ कंडक्टिंग पाथ, that provides a conducting path, that's why bulb glow कर गया। So first question of NCERT book, what do you mean by an electric circuit? What do you mean by an electric circuit? So answer is a closed conducting path. A closed conducting path is called an electric circuit. A closed conducting path is called an electric circuit. In this chapter we discuss with more terms, that is charge, potential difference, resistance, resistors, and heating effects of electric current. We discuss all these topics one by one. So before starting the electricity, we discuss a term. That one is your charge. First of all, note down this. What do you mean by electric circuit? That is a closed conducting path is called electric circuit. Note down. Okay. Now next term that we discuss under the chapter of electricity, charge. So what is charge, bache? You can perform an activity. Material used are a plastic cone, or you can take a plastic scale. That is better because it is easily available. Now bache, some pieces of paper. Some pieces of paper. When you rub the plastic scale with your dry hair, you see that it attracts small pieces of paper. Now ये pieces attract क्यों हुए? Why so? Because when you rub the plastic scale, a charge is produced. इस केस में बच्चे क्या हुआ? चार्ज प्रोड्यूस हो गया। सो चार्ज की डेफिनेशन क्या मेंशन कर सकते हैं? दैट इज इट इज अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ बॉडी। डेफिनेशन ऑफ चार्ज, it is a property of body due to which it feels attractive or repulsive. Due to which it feels attractive or repulsive. If you want more clarification on charge, you can see the activity on my YouTube channel Prosperous Academy. that is done by my student Hitashia. Activity, how can you detect charge? You can see there. Fine. Now symbol of charge or unit of charge. Symbol of charge क्या है बेटा? Symbol of charge is Q and unit of charge is coulomb, that is denoted by C. Note down बच्चे. Okay. Now beta charge, how many types of charges? How many types of charge? So there are two types. One is positive, other one is negative. Now बच्चे यहाँ टर्म आती है कि like charges क्या करते हैं? Like means to say that same charges repel each other. Repel